Need prayer. Need to turn to God. Look at the fire department, man. Yeah. This was a fire department right here. Look at this. Look at this right here. Look at this fire truck. The storm ripped it just destroyed it. Look at this truck. The building destroyed. It's horrible out here. It's horrible. Look at this. This was right here. Well-known shopping area. Old car lots. Telling you, this storm that passed through here was a massive. Never seen anything like this before in my life. My God. Right here. This was a huge church. Very huge church, but look at it. This is the aftermath of the storm. Look at this. This is unbelievable. This place is destroyed. Look at this. Yeah.
This was that car lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at this, all the people right here. See this? These were buildings, nice buildings. It's gone. Let's look. This is like unreal. These are vehicles. Look at them. Tornado just crushed them. Look at this. Look at this.